Welcome to Magic Bee. Today we're going to draw a dress as well as we're going to learn about clothing. Human beings may have begun wearing clothing as far back as 100,000 to 500,000 years ago. Possible sewing needles have been dated to around 40,000 years ago. The t-shirt is one of the most popular items of clothing in the world, and around 2 billion of them are sold every single year. Men have been wearing shorts for decades, but women were only allowed to wear them in public after World War II. One of the main reasons for this was because less fabric was available during the war, so shorts were more cost effective than pants or skirts. Thousands of fashion magazines are sold every year, but the first ever fashion magazine was sold in Germany in 1586. High heels are nothing new to the world. In the 18th century, they were fashionable, even for children. Up until the beginning of the 19th century, models were not used to showcase clothes. Fashion companies would use dolls instead. We can't go out these days without seeing a shopping center, thanks to the ancient Romans who built the very first one. Do you think it's interesting? Please share and subscribe to Magic Bee. Hope you all enjoyed my video. See you on next video.